Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Let Freedom Ring, and I'm doing a tablescape. Our host is Deborah Cabas's Home Living and myself. Yes, I'm one of the hosts on this one, and it's one that we've done a few times. And I always enjoy working with patriotic and red, white, and blue. And I did a twist to mine this year. I did birds and butterflies. So I hope you enjoy the tablescape, and happy 4th of July. Here's our tablescape. These I got at Hobby Lobby after summer. Dollar General for this plate. Amazon for the napkin ring, silverware, and tablecloth. Hobby Lobby for the charger plate. Hobby Lobby for the cup. And for our butterfly table runner. Our water pitcher came from the Goodwill. And our flowers we already had in our stash for a long time. I think they were Hobby Lobby. These little birds was Hobby Lobby. Michael's for the candle holders, and Amazon for the candles. And that's a rundown of what's on our table. Tip about table runners, about table decor, tablescapes. To make my favorite thing on a tablescape is the table runner. When I do a tablescape, I pick the table runner and the tablecloth and build the whole tablescape from there. Because my greatest interest, I want to be the table runner. So if you are doing a tablescape, think about starting with a table runner. And make that your focal point.